In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha Portfolio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a portfolio, add your holdings, and monitor performance so you can keep all your market insights in one place. First, let's create or access your portfolio. On the website or the app, look to the left side menu and open Portfolios. There, you can view any portfolios you've already made or start a new one. If you're on mobile, tap the menu, choose Create Portfolio, give it a clear, memorable name, and then add the stocks you want to track. Think of the portfolio as your command center. It brings together your holdings, real-time performance, news that could move your stocks, alerts so you don't miss key events, and ratings to help you gauge sentiment. If you manage more than one theme or account, consider using separate portfolios so each one stays focused and easier to review. Next, add your holdings. Start typing a stock ticker into the portfolio and select the correct symbol from the suggestions. To go beyond a simple watch list, enter the number of shares you own, your purchase price, and the purchase date. This turns a basic list into a true performance tracker, grounded in your actual cost basis. Accuracy matters here. Make sure you choose the right ticker and share class, and double-check the price and date so your gains and losses calculate correctly. If you've bought the same stock more than once, you can use your average cost or add separate entries by date if that matches how you track your positions. And if you're just exploring, you can still add tickers without cost details to watch prices and news until you're ready to commit. Now, monitor your performance. In your portfolio view, you'll see your current value, the gain or loss, the percent change, and how your performance has evolved over time. Current value reflects the latest market price multiplied by your shares. Gain or loss shows how far you are from your purchase price, and percent change gives you that movement in relative terms so you can compare across different positions. Performance over time helps you see trends, not just today's moves, which is useful for evaluating whether a position is working as intended. As you check these numbers, glance at the accompanying news, alerts, and ratings right in the portfolio to understand the why behind the moves and stay ahead of key catalysts. That's it. Create or access your portfolio, add your holdings with accurate details, and keep an eye on the performance metrics that matter.